everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So I have another stuffed chicken recipe for you guys. There's so many of them out there and I love chicken. So if you want to see what's going on and what I'm doing, then keep watching. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I do have a second channel here on YouTube, you guys. It's called April Time. So if you can head on over there, subscribe, support, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So now talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm still really enjoying the croissants from last week, you guys. If you haven't seen it, definitely go and take a look. I know it's a process, but you know what, it was all worth it. So this week I'm trying a little easier recipe. I'm making some stuffed chicken breasts and I have 4 boneless skinless chicken breasts. Before I do anything, I'm going to take it over to the sink and give it a quick rinse. And now I'm just going to take a knife and butterfly each chicken breast. You don't want to cut it all the way through, you just want to create a pocket. Because I'm going to put together a very simple and delicious stuffing, I have 2 to 3 handfuls of fresh spinach, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and I really love some roasted red bell peppers. I even used it in an earlier recipe. I think it adds so much flavor, so I'm going to go ahead and use a cup of that. And I'm going to chop half a cup of some sun-dried tomatoes. And add just a little bit of sea salt and black pepper and mix everything together. So I'm going to set the stuffing to the side because I'm going to season the inside and outside of the chicken breast with some sea salt, black pepper, garlic and onion powder, and some paprika. And I'm not going to put an exact measurement on it. You can season your chicken as much or as little as you want. But I am going to put some Italian seasoning on top. And I'm going to go ahead and stuff each chicken breast. And you know what, you guys, if you want to add more cheese to it, go ahead. The choice is yours. Then you want to fold over the chicken. You want to make sure that all the stuffing is in place. And just to make sure, I like to put a toothpick in, just to keep everything secure when it bakes off in the oven. Before I bake it off, I'm going to drizzle each chicken breast with just a little bit of olive oil. I've already preheated the oven at 375 degrees and I'm going to bake off the chicken for 30 minutes or until the inside is 160 degrees. Okay, so after 30 minutes, my chicken is done. I'm going to let it sit and cool down for 10 minutes because you don't want the juices to run. But look how delicious and beautiful that looks, you guys. But look how everything came together. The spinach, the cheese, the roasted red bell peppers, the sun-dried tomatoes. Everything came together in one perfect bite. But we're all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with everybody that you know. Follow me on my new channel here on YouTube, you guys. It's April Time. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. You guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.